If you feel your life is just happening to you, you're planning in the wrong direction. Stop trying to figure out the tomorrow, but start planning for the finish line. Why I say this? Here's my reverse planning strategy that I follow. Life is very short. Make it very meaningful. It's about you, your family, and your society. To break it up, I can say that you can consider that you're going to live up to the age of 82 years, which is approximately 29930 days. I can take it as 30,000 days. Okay, so that's because every year it's 365 days approximately. So based on that, I've just calculated that approximately we will live for around 30,000 days if we are living up to 82 years approximate. Okay, and if you consider your childhood, your puberty, or your initial adulthood, all those days, let's consider all those put together for 24 years. Okay, 24 years. So that's approximately 8760 days, which is 9,000. Let me just approximate to 9,000 days. Okay, and you want to work from 24 to 65 years. Okay, this is like I'm just taking an approximate average of usual living being. So consider you work till 65 years. So 65 minus 24 is 41 years, which is approximately 14695 days, which is 15,000 days. Okay, 15,000 days. After that, from 65, you are going to lead a life, senior citizen life, up to 82 years, which is approximately 17 years. That you can say on an average, it comes up to 6,205 days, which is, we'll take it as 6,000 days for approximate calculation. If you're living up to 82 years, the entire thing is around 30,000 days. So I guess you guys, something is like hitting, something you're able to relate what I'm trying to say. And see, 24 to 65 years is somewhere we are very healthy. We can do a lot of things for ourselves, for our family. We can make properties, assets, everything. Whatever we think of, whatever we dream of, all those things we can do in this age, golden age. So which is approximately 25 to 26 years. And I can say that's around, like, I mean, I'm telling from 24 to 50 years, which is around 26 years, which is approximately 10,000 days. Okay, so I mean, after once we cross 50, we will have some health issues if we are not taking care of ourselves. If we are not having the proper diet or exercise, or we have ignored ourselves, the uninvited guests will be into our bodies. So this, and even from 50 to 60 years, I can say that 10 years is like approximately that 4,000 days. We are okay, but after that, our health issues or whatever becomes more and more. So I guess I am giving a food for thought for you guys, like why it is very important for you to plan your days, plan from the end to do the reverse thinking, especially when it comes to investments or enjoying your life. Okay, so there is a research that in the US that was done, wherein the senior citizens who are on their deathbed, they were like surveyed around 10,000 people. So most of them, around 96% of them said that they did not live for themselves, and they had lived for their family and family members, and they sacrificed a lot, and they had the regret that they did not live their life fully. So I do not want you guys to have that. So plan your life, plan your future from reverse to whichever age you are at present. If you want to win with people, you've got to be a winner yourself, and or at least you should be on the way to becoming a winner. Otherwise, that's the very, very simple fact that nobody can avoid it. Okay, so try not to become a man of just success. Try to become a person, try to become a man of values, which I think Albert Einstein has said. So here is what I want to say, everyone. Stop living the life forward, waiting to see what is going to happen. Start from the deathbed, from your own deathbed. Look back at your life, how you wanted to live, and what work you can do backward to today to make whatever you want to happen.